turbocharger. Of course, turbochargers is what makes horsepower in diesels. We've got the green flag, rolling ball, ready to bring the big John Deere up the line. Now, well, I can see it down there. He pulled a 257 and on the Superstar side. I can do better. He dropped 6 positions and shotgunner end time ready to go. The 3688 International ready to roll out of Ohio. That's right, and he's tied. Top of the nation right now.
That's a championship.
Baba ready to get it underway. The distance. We'll give it to you one second. Second year out on the circuit. There you go. Get them down the track, Tom. The Fort Recovery pulled the fastest going Grand National Circuit pull. Oh, look at it go! Top fire! The best. David Best. All right, David Best, we're ready to go. Our very first same thing. All the rolling. And the Keystone Clock ready to roll for you. That's right, new hits on this tractor just a few weeks ago. Watch it, look at those changes. Steve Riley out of Westfield, Indiana. After 33-11-50. Boy, that's right, it is ready to go right now.
Is that about all bolted in?
All right, here he is, one of the top tractors in Ohio. Will be the winner of this satin jacket later on in the evening. With one move in this one. able to keep it